Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. Rules in changing singular nouns to plural nouns. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Add S to most nouns. Example: cup becomes cups. Car becomes cars. Number 2. Add ES to nouns ending in S, double S, CH, SH, X, and O. Example: bus becomes buses. Dress becomes dresses. Bench becomes benches. Dish becomes dishes. Box becomes boxes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Number 3. Nouns ending in Y. For nouns ending in Y with a vowel before it, just add S. For example, monkey becomes monkeys. Key becomes keys. For nouns ending in Y with a consonant before it, change Y to I and add ES. Let me show you. For the word puppy, change Y to I and add ES. So puppy becomes puppies. And candy becomes candies. Number 4. Nouns ending in F or FE. Change F or FE to V and add ES. Let me show you. For the word loaf, change F to V and add ES. So loaf becomes loaves. For the word life, change FE to V and add ES. So life becomes lives. However, children, there is an exception to this rule. It means not included in the rule. Exception are words like roof, plural form, roofs, or chief, plural form, chiefs, and some more words. If you are not so sure about a certain word, you may always ask the help of your teacher or check the dictionary. Number 5. Some singular nouns change in spelling to make their plural forms. Example: man becomes men. Woman becomes women. Child becomes children. Tooth becomes teeth. Mouse becomes mice. Number 6. Some nouns are always in plural form. Example: the word scissors. Whether it's singular or plural, it is still scissors. The word pants. Whether it is singular or plural, it is still pants. Stay tuned for more videos to check your knowledge on singular and plural nouns. See ya! Good job! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!